You alright? Ooh, hot out there. I'm glad for the fan. You good? How you feel, sick, sir?
I want to talk to you about something.
No, man, anything.
Yeah, you what?
What do you? Oh, man, talk to me. What do you?
I mean, me and Mark break up.
Again, every minute on a fight, every minute on a break up, every minute on a have break up fun and get back together. So what happened this
Mommy,
time?
there's no got back together. He give me about another female and say I'm not the one. I just don't know what to do. Me just frustrated.
Baby, I know how it go. Hush. Nobody make them raise up your blood pressure here. Hush. As some man and woman thing go. They just sorry say you have to feel it the hard way. So what happened? You catch them? Or you suspect and find out? How you find out?
He tell me, he just come to me and say, Kayla, the relationship now work out, me find somebody else I'm in love with. There's no connection between us. There's no us. We just right, I'm listening to what you're doing.
Well, what you going to do is hold your head up and shake him off. Hold your head up. Hold your head up, because he's not worth it. No man worth who holding your head down for. Alright, it was fun and joy. Well, it was fun and joy. But take that off of your mind now. At least he'll come tell you, and you never have to waste no more time on him.
I mean, right now, I just want to be happy and more.
Exactly.
Like, what day I would think that me didn't know that something will go wrong. We didn't know that something will go wrong. I can see other day, we can jump in a little argument, have a little disagreement about something.
I saw it go. Us
women. Mommy. You see, we did it and it's like, she was getting in the mood, I was getting into something. I am booked the phone ring.
Timing. The ancestors will show you something. So tell me something, I go fast in your business. The phone call interrupt and then never get for the nothing.
No.
And I interrupt on it.
Well, interrupt with mommy and he answer the phone and never the phone and talk to some. So come in and pay that no man.
Be glad. You never waste too much energy on him. Him worthless. Him not deserve you.
Sometimes I just can't bother.
I know.
Can't take this up. I just can't take this, mama. I just want to be happy. Not have somebody to love me and grow with.
And you're more than deserve it. Look how you're beautiful. You're beautiful inside. You're beautiful outside. Not everybody deserve you here. Cause sometimes some people come in your life for a season, like winter, summer, and spring, and some people come in your life for life. Here, Mark and then you just experience and it's seasonal too. But forget that. Look how it's a rain and the house a leak. Me need you to start, get a job, concentrate on you and concentrate on the house.
So, I saw to send no money. So, why you want that degree?
A man thing, the same thing. The Muslim man, all of them, they're the same thing. You can give it to them sweet, you can give it to them chaka. You can cook, clean, wash, everything. It can be the sweetest, you're not nagging everything, and then still, them coming like dog. Them have to go pine and tie up become people fan. As some man say, that's what I said, nobody put it on your head. Your father do the same thing to me, baby girl. That's why me feel your pain. I mean, know your pain.
I understand, but I'm just frustrated and can't bother with life. I just want to be happy. I just want to find love.
Listen.
I like them in art. You know, art so much, you just love. Love for someone.
But you hear what? It comes to you when you're not looking for it. So, change up. And spruce up yourself. And make everything airy and happy. Right? And get a job. Concentrate on you. You're too busy to concentrate on man and concentrate and he don't even want you. Concentrate on you. Spruce up yourself. Get yourself a job. Line up some money. Make it start fix up the place. And you'll be surprised. When you're not looking for it, that's when it will come.
Mama, anything else? I'm just
Me know, baby girl, me know. Me feel your pain, I've been there. But remember, say no man, woman, child, or beast is worthy to make you hold your head down. Here,
Yeah.
Kayla, your name. Empress Kayla at that. So you walk with your chest high and your shoulder back and your head up. And then make him see you and want you back. And then you can tell him for that way, hey, I'm gonna want you back. And the other thing too, what you need to do, take off the fakeness. Man don't want no fakeness. If you locks up and be natural, this is your antenna. And you see how spiritual you get to. You locks it. Yes, come in if you're pretty. You good?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Nothing I'm going.
Morning.
Me just say I'm bored. I say me have to move my account check and so me want me do.
Never, we just, we feel like we go from work and we can't take this bad vibes then and after.
Advice. You ask for advice, and when I talk to you properly, you don't want to hear it. The truth hurts. But remember what I tell you. Remember what I say. Look after you first, chest out, head up, and go on. And think about it too. Think about it. Tell her, look at Kayla, she natural. Natural man wants.
Yeah.
Believe me. Be safe on the road. Here?
Yeah.
Be safe.
I'll bring her back quickly.
I know. Alright.
We just want to find you. Me can't find nobody.
My friend, love we find you. You don't run out there. Love we. And when you find you are going to got no time, the right time and all such.
What you?
So, let me tell hello.
Hello.
What's up?
Yeah,
Can I talk to you?
of course.
Come right. You know something like your hairstyle though?
Oh, thanks a lot.
Yeah, who do it? Cause me want somebody do me hair and me can't find nobody for do it.
You don't tell my girlfriend sent it though.
Oh,
You know, really come like often. But
oh.
might because my name good. I could have touched out all into that.
Oh, so you can't try do that for me, please and thanks because you see me head. You
No.
want to do a long time I have you and it done. Do me can't find nobody for do it and so.
Allah, yeah, tell. And you here look like you do this morning.
No, me catch it up, but me want to do so I can't keep on me not to get up and put all the chemical and something in there.
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
Besides, how you buy your clothes them? They look neat.
I'm on my say I saw some stores online and I'm foreign. But me I want to look to store in my town. I could have show you one day, but you know, you don't want to talk in name loud and nobody go here.
Oh, I know them way them man. But let me see again.
But watch out, me have to catch you on next time, you know, because I kind of depend on look a hurry.
Oh yeah, the power.
Alright.
Alright, I'm going away.
Alright. Be up with you.
Yeah. See you tell him? Something like him, I tell him? I tell him? Oh. Yes, I see him.
You'll be fine love again.
Yeah, you find love. You definitely find love. That's you have to know.
Watch your face look so.
Are you me that look for?
Yeah, look me.
Because me not understand why me kid come out of the yard.
So we can't come out of here.
No, me don't want you come out of the yard. You know why? Because them young man nowadays, I be a cheat, them a cheat. And me don't want you cheat for me. I want you for myself.
Tell my man nowadays I
Yes.
Allah, yeah, tell.
Don't go on like say.
So make you feel like me and them are the same thing.
Every man is the same. None of them don't
So
different.
suppose me so what make you try all them and them feel say all of them are the same.
Me not try all of
So
them
how
on
you
them.
know say all of them are
Because me have friends and they tell me say them man give them bun.
but me and your friend they not there and me not give you bun.
Well, me not know. Me not too trust them. Because them girls nowadays well want people, man.
So you want people man?
No.
So if
That's why I want it for myself. Come on,
but if you different from the girl them nowadays, why me can different from the man them nowadays?
Me don't know. All men are the same.
All women are the same.
No, you can't say that.
So why you can't say all men are the same?
Because I truth. Anyways, come on, can we go up?
Mm-hmm. So I will make this today.
Don't I run this down?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What I was doing.
Okay.
Look good though.
Yes, mommy.
You
Mommy?
see, I smile more. Me love that. Me love that.
Mommy, I won't believe that, mommy.
Mm-hmm.
I was on the road and I see this guy.
This guy, I'm gonna tell you to forget about that and concentrate about you. Him give you a job.
No, mommy.
So, how you going to concentrate on you first? What happened to you first? And build your life first.
Alright, mommy. Alright.
Alright, go on. Let me hear
It's not
about
like
it.
within our relationship. Me just see him as someone I'm like from whole long, but me did in a relationship with Mark. So me that stay faithful to Mark. So now me and Mark live now.
Mm-hmm.
Me see him yesterday, I'm tell my friend to go tell him to me like him, my friend go tell him and he say he like me too.
So what happened from that?
Nothing, me come home. Me and not exchange words or nothing.
Alright.
Yeah, so.
Well, if I so.
But I'll take it slow on this one. I'm not going to rush into it. Take it slow and slow. So how was your day?
Yeah, man, my day was good. But remember what I tell you. Alright.
Mommy!
Hey. Hey, the baby come.
Yeah.
You're alright,
Yes,
You
yes.
look well, look how you hair tall.
Yes.
Even though it's not natural, but it's tall same
So
way.
what happened?
Why am I giving thanks? You giving thanks, you don't see your sister, you just walk past her, so.
Yes, yeah. One girl, but then a girl come in my turn
Aye.
Oh my god, you know like I got a school girl.
Yes. Oh god.
So what happened?
Boy, give thanks. More important, how is you? How is your journey when you finish?
Tired.
I can imagine.
Yes.
So when you finish, when you come,
Me just
you
come.
You know, but you leave long time.
Not really. So I plan to do now. Like I done this to plan to. Alright, I'm gonna get to work and then can start a relationship with somebody. No, I bet that's alone. Why? Relationship hard to find that is an area. No, hard to find. Once you have education and you get anything you want, yeah? Anything at all you want, you're gonna get once you have education. Yes. So maybe if you didn't have education, you don't get what you want. But you not have it, you don't get what you want.
Yet. She not finish her education yet. She'll go for it and she'll get it.
No, I don't feel like I want to go to college. I left college to her. I'm not going to go to them. So maybe what happened?
Why me I give thanks, so we just discuss it. So, man, the man thing no worth it. Me agree with you looking at job. And me agree with anything you want in life you can get. But I'm not bother with the man thing, cause the man thing just bring heartache and stress. You know worth it. You know worth it. And that me I tell her. And me I remind herself, might as well tell you too. You aren't done with the fakeness, man. You're so beautiful. The toner is my beauties. And if you go natural, man. And if you go natural, you talk about look at man. More man want natural. Yes, baby.
Your locks natural?
Of course it's natural.
Oh, well, mine is natural.
No. A horse still hear that.
You know what you have, mommy?
You know if the horse poop. You know, if they watch you properly with the horse poop.
Mommy, it was nice seeing you. I am going to go on the road
nice,
now.
But man won't go to bed with the pretty girl and wake up with the pretty girl, not the ugly sister.
Then I want to tell me I go wake up ugly.
But you're not natural.
Oh my god, me better so me go weak. Me natural.
Me don't want to argue. I'll just think about it.
Me just tell me you give me headache.
Yeah, your mother.
Come on. Let me, I'm looking off.
Here. Okay, I say when someone of you flash your locks.
Mommy, locks don't fit me. You see how your locks make you look, me no want look like that. Me so come back.
Alright. Hey. That one come like tornado. She come in and whirlwind and whirl back up. I'm glad to see her.
Yes, so happy to see her.
But take a leaf out of her book though, the job thing. Look on the job thing. Look on the job thing and support yourself.
Yes, I will look at the job thing, but me and Shanice is not the same. You see what she wants, that's what she wants. I don't want that, okay?
You know what? Good for yourself.
Me, I look at man. My man is good for me.
Man, now the gear that you had to own the independence. Man come after.
Mommy, if I didn't have a man or a husband in your life, you won't be saying this bullshit to me in the day right now, okay?
Alright, you know more than me. You know more than me. Go on, keep your sister out of trouble. Alright. Me know nothing. That's there you go.
Girl, are you me a come look for you now?
Girl, I don't hear where me come from.
What?
Me there.
You not long to see me?
Yes, girl.
You know, look so.
Why I said so?
Not even old.
Come.
Not even old.
Girl.
What?
Me there. So all things, girl.
Kinda alright, you know, me just come back in a place and want to work on something.
That me see.
Yes.
So, everything alright, you feel me?
Yes, everything alright. Never want everything feel alright.
Yeah, girl, that's what me ask you.
Yeah, so I'm always life, one new.
Alright.
Have man?
Yes. A man, yes, girl.
Well,
Nothing else. Just
Just
a
that?
man. Yeah, nothing else. Just a
you don't have
man.
no house, you don't have no baby, you don't have nothing else.
No, for baby, I go baby. Baby now. Beer.
So you don't get no house.
Me and the boy live.
Who for house?
I think, oh.
Man, don't know already yet.
So you have a-
No yet.
No, good morning.
Good morning.
No.
I gotta stop talking and shock, sir.
This is my boyfriend.
Oh, your boyfriend is?
Yes.
Okay.
This is my friend for a long time.
Hi.
Hello. So your friend Nana name?
Yeah, she named Shanice.
Nice to meet you, Shanice. You have some good hair on your head, man.
Thank you. So what is your name?
Riri boyfriend.
Okay, Riri boyfriend.
Alright.
So what happened?
I just pass on, so no.
Oh, so you okay?
Great, man.
Oh.
So you just stop talking, sir. Thank you. Why you stop talking?
No. So girl, as me did I say yes, it's my boyfriend or something. So which party are going now?
Girl, you miss me, I walk on look for cause as me come here, my mother catch up.
Yeah.
Baby. Remember saying you cook nothing yet, you know. That's when we kinda look for you still.
Jeez. Now we have to go embarrass me on the road.
No, I'm not
I
embarrassed.
don't come. I mean, no, I see up there, me did I come. You the embarrassment in front of my friend.
No, I'm not embarrassment, man. I just told me as I remember say you peel have to take control my week. I'm not embarrassed.
You know.
So,
Anyway.
see I know number friend.
Yes, me have a number, but me never walk in
Relax,
before.
so where you ask my friend for your number for?
So if your friend not my friend.
No, I said that go. You brighty. What you mean by a female friend and your friend? No. Your friend and man my friend.
So you will have my friend them and your friend.
No, you don't say that. You don't say you disrespect me.
How me I disrespect you?
Come on, me ready. Girl, me we talk. Come on.
Sorry.
Girl, later. Yesterday, style me a tell about.
It's a girl rain. Nice.
Hello?
Hello.
You know, Stephen William, there, I make me see her pass with the daughter.
Mm-hmm.
Your daughter, little girl.
Yeah, the little black one.
So I like her, though.
Okay.
What I really like is just dropping in my life like when we in a fall.
Well, I must tell you, so she's a nice young lady. Finished
Like her, man,
school.
when me see her, me go over, me a dream about her, me I say, Jesus Christ, she does nice. Mother just take care of her. Yeah.
Because so she's been hurt already, you know, so she's not really looking relationship
man,
unless,
hurt her.
unless,
No, man,
you know,
listen
so you have a good heart
and
for
the
her.
right guy for the job. Me tell you, me never hurt her. If her heart broke, me just put it back together like this. So it's it's like one day me I pray for your pass and I say, oh, you can't pass. Oh, she can't pass yet. I want to tell her me like your daughter. The more remind if you could have put it in her work. She old enough, right?
Yeah, man, she's
Yeah,
old enough,
right.
she's big enough, and she's a
Alright.
beautiful girl. I
Yeah,
just
man.
don't want her to get hurt.
Me no need glasses to see. She well beautiful.
Inside out.
Inside out. The more if you can put in a word to me. My name Rashan.
Rashan, pleased to meet you. I'm
nice.
Mrs. Lowbridge.
Alright, Lowbridge.
Alright.
Let's put in a word to me, yeah?
Alright, as long as you know what you're doing, you know. Don't chat to my daughter if you know you're gonna hurt her.
I'm serious. Me never hurt her.
Alright.
I have some live my marine to that place, that I live over that side.
Okay.
My apartment, man.
Okay, yeah, try. Can't wrong that.
Although a board still, just have to start somewhere, you know?
It's something. Yeah, man.
Let's go, guys.
Alright, I'll let her know. Rashan,
Alright.
Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Rise and shine, rise and shine. We have some news for you. Rise and shine, rise and shine. Jump up, we have good news for you. What you say you did always want? Come on, wake up, wake up, wake up. We have good news for you.
You just have me one bag of rice for me.
Me have to wake you up. Alright. Even though I'm not so much for it. But you was telling me earlier, say you meet a nice guy. In black down.
Yeah.
And he kind of thickish and black and thick and handsome. Girl, me walk from Miss Matilda. I come down the road and him stop me. Very nice and all. And they tell me, say, him just wait for me to pass because him like my daughter. And how he will dream about you. I dream about you and can't get your mind off of you. I'll tell him, say, you have to be careful, you know, because you can't hurt my baby. So you get hurt already.
Mommy, I love you. Jesus Christ, you like me, mommy.
Me know, my spirit take him.
Mommy, tell you, mommy, tell you.
He might show me the place in my rent. You know, in between Miss Matilda and Miss Felicia house. That little two board house there together. That's in my rent.
Oh God, I'm so excited, mommy. I'm so excited to me finally finding someone that's for me.
Well, him look like say, he will do you good.
Come, mommy, sit down, mommy, tell us. Sit down, mommy, sit down. Mommy, tell us.
Well, him tell me, say, come warn him, you know. I warn him, say, if I hurt you, or else. And him say, realize, say, your heart was maybe broken. And him going to put it back together, girl. Me know, so me did tell you, say, loud the man thing, but girl, my spirit take it. You just humble and quiet and full of manners.
Happy. Honey, I'm so happy and I'm so glad.
And full of manners, girl. You have my blessing.
Mommy, I talk to you, but me can't talk to you no more. I'm going to tell my friend Ken, I'm going to find Ken.
Alright. But me like him. Me like
him too.
Good choice. I just hope this year one work. Please, Lord. Take it here.
We're so excited to see it.
Yeah.
I'm so excited I see you. Go to believe what happened. Big on them, I'm going to go over. Guess who tell my mother say they like me and them a rent house see me and them. David!
Oh, you see him?
Yes! Me say you go to him, girl, and you tell him say you like that. Girl, for this everything's going good. Girl, I'm so excited. Me say, and he say how he like me and how my heart look broken and he go and fix it back together.
My turn mend the broken
yes,
pieces.
Me say, girl, I'm so excited. But me not see him come when they come from me. They ever see him that jump on him and kiss him up.
Yeah, I know them where.
Yeah, cause you know my heart beats and my sugar plum.
Yeah, when you poo poo and your territory too.
I'm off to work out. Yes, me so girl, me excited saying say we can work.
I'm excited for you too.
Because you went to him that day. What a good friend you are.
I know.
Me never feel that tears of joy. I'm so happy.
I'm happy for you to your find love. Me go to the boy.
Yes, because I said, if you never go to him, you know how mother look for him and said to him in my face, if you never go to him that day, me think would have the heart to tell him. If you never go to him the day, me think would have work out.
Yeah, go work out.
Watch my sister girl.
Oh, your sister. Oh, he come back.
Yes, he come back. Mr. Girl.
Where are you up here?
I'm from me come tell the good news. Come here.
Good news now. Good news.
Feel like a time come back in my life. You bring joy and good luck in my life. Cause things are come back.
Get subject?
No. The boy I like finally like me back. And my rent house in me and name and he tell mommy everything. Girl.
And I'm going to go to the boy for you.
Yeah, he go to the boy for me. He go tell the boy, so me like him and then I find everything just kick off and then when you come, I get the glorious good luck. I say sister, that's why I love you so much.
Yes, I love you too, but I think you need to go in the yard now.
Why?
Because me I go down, I'm not think I left it up here.
I that boy?
Yes.
Me I tell you about man.
Yes. me happy for you. Just who upset.
Yeah, tell me about
Who
that.
upset is a good man, and the
want
happiness will forever keep on. You open on the 2 day happiness or not 2 hour.
No, you know, long like a boy.
Lifelong.
Me like a boy from me and Mark did them. Sometimes how Mark dump me. Me tell you how Mark beat me. Yes, so.
Hope that one not dump you,
Yeah, big.
nor analyze you. Come, we are go down.
Alright, girl.
Yeah, later.
Later, girl.
Excited.
Tell me how man go taste here.
Yes, your man, Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
Yep, where I lead?
I go on.
Long time I not seen you, dog.
Yeah, I say. I take you upgrade on your man.
No,
Yeah, when you
dog.
come and you come to go and tap and chat. I shop you come and what?
No, hold on, no, baby. I'm virgin this one. A long time I not see him.
Me never care. I
Man,
don't
tap a talk to
care.
him, Virginia.
Me
Yeah,
not
man.
talk to you, mind your own business. And come
I see
on.
she did.
Just school. Just school.
He come on now, shall we come?
But dang, I tell you, you got a match to come.
No.
Oh, you mean me I got a match? Baby, it's school, man.
You ask me if you can go match.
Baby, me and you got a match and you
Me
say,
not go no match.
I share man, I man.
You say, mind your own business.
Shamus,
You have a woman? You have a woman?
Mama, she did,
Mind your own business.
No,
You come on,
I
I shall
told
we
me
anyway,
come.
me I say, I ball them I play first match, you see me?
Come on now.
I go here to show me, yeah?
Alright. I told me I believe in a certain things.
I really
Yeah,
like
father,
it,
yeah.
can't go.
I told me I believe in a certain
You
things.
cannot go and me not go no match, so come on.
No, man, we are got a match, man. Just school, man. Yeah, we got a match.
God, if
Me
man
don't
go
want
think
go
better,
no
I say,
match.
Oh, you never seen me play ball yet.
Me don't want business now. You see next time I see I talk to something, yeah, me go have things kind of know if it when I see me and my man have argument,
yeah.
come out time.
You can't
me know your
disrespect the big
man,
man.
can't do me.
You can't disrespect the big man, so baby.
Hey, come on, just come on.
Come on. Joe.
Hey, girl, we are going about your one.
Now we talk, yeah.
Yeah, you not gonna talk one we
Yes,
are
what?
going.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
You know what?
Like a yardy girl in the relationship. Well, boy.
You're not chilling with it for my man right now.
What if your man no killer? As man in life.
David, girl, me can't just stop thinking about him in my mind 24/7.
So girl, mommy not say same one.
Yes.
So she never collect your number.
No. As I say, girl, if you go up on the girl, guess what, girl? Girl. I'll be big break up with me. I think about him in my sleep.
I say, hey, don't look.
Not tell me.
So yeah, you know, cause anytime me left here, me not come back if you know, no.
Me say, me I go up on the road and now go look.
I'm follow you. Yeah, come on, come. Come, girl.
Oh, mommy.
You alright? I just come out for the road. Boy, hot. Where not go?
On the road.
Alright, be safe.
Yes. Alright, let's go.
Alright, take
So
care.
cold.
Walk good. Alright. Ever on the road.
Girl, can't spend time on Hi.
Hello.
You mean to tell my mother say you like me?
Huh? Yes, sir.
You like it too?
Where that go?
When I tell my mother yesterday, then you tell mother yesterday say you like me.
Who are your mother?
Charmian.
No. You don't tell your mother that. You don't even know who you be. I tell your mother not about that. Maybe you're mistaken, man.
No, mommy tell me say it's a black thick man.
What?
Are you?
No, man, me not do that.
Are you in? I'm telling you, are you? I shy, you must be shy, no, me not bite you. Remember all the day when we tap on your gate. I have my friend come to your counter and say me like you, tell us you like me back too.
Girl, wait.
Kayla.
Kayla, no disrespect, but me not even know who you be. Sorry, maybe you're mistaken, so you're wrong tonight. I don't mean.
So can you tell me say you like me?
No. Sorry about that, man. But I know me. I wrong somebody, man. I know me. Would I remember me telling your mother something like that?
You sure are you?
Sure.
100%. You know,
No
me
one
me
knows.
go to Kenya. Come here like embarrass me.
So,
So, wait then. Are you on your name, David?
yeah.
So, what make you have to do with my sister, so?
No, me not deal with her in a way, but me never tell her mother something like that. Might be she mistaken cause of you. Me like if anything.
Me?
If anything are you, mother
No,
like.
I'm not think it like me.
Why?
My sister don't like you already. And from the look of things, you tell my mother and you tell her friend, you look like a trace me and change up your mouth.
No, sir. I would not do that, man. If I that, me say I just that, me say, but me not say that shit too. She just mistaken.
Oh, well, me I go look for my sister right now, okay? You make my sister vex.
Sorry about that. You can't look for me number, sir.
That's why them me think you look a dirty friend. You look a dirty foot friend. Oh, that's a weird. Cause me don't like him.
Which dirty foot friend that?
The little long blocks what we did see one time.
So I can't say that about my friend then.
And me don't like him. Oh. Anyway, let's just come back now by 3 o'clock.
Alright.
By hour.
Why you have this at 3 o'clock? Why you coming for?
No, 3 o'clock.
Come back 3:25. I would.
Stop question me here one thing me tell you. If you don't work with that, you go see where you go get.
Come back. I come back and I want to come back and because I come back and come back now. You want to come back 3
You
o'clock.
have to come back 3 o'clock.
And me want to come back 3 o'clock. I know because of you.
What you just said? Me said 3 o'clock, argument done.
So I know, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Me I tell you the truth, me don't like when you make it so lie.
What go? Lie with what?
You know how they did? How you tell me say that be saying like me, the boy me send you to?
Yeah.
Girl, he never tell you that. And me go to him this morning. Me go to him.
Me so like question.
Girl, me go to him the boy and say, don't, I'm my mother. When me then I go cuss off my mother.
I see you because crucify her.
But no, you, me believe said the boy stuff you know. Can you tell me
Me could
something
answer
like
he
me?
tell me say no. But guess what? Guess when me go over there, in here start catch me. So me I ask him, so me did I ask him who doing here and then me forget. And then me just say yeah like you cause the way how him a look for you, me could answer saying like.
He said don't like me, don't even know me. So if you like me,
I
that's what
lie.
he say.
All men are liars, all in the Bible. I lie, I tell you.
Me not expect that as a friend. She tell me the truth. If you tell me, say you never go to
No,
him.
me could deal up with no more days. Me could deal up with no more days with you. And your heartbrokenness.
Yeah, man. Me so ashamed. So ashamed that me feel walk come over your yard.
No, you mustn't walk come over my yard with shame. You must walk with the chest high. But I your mother, you have to cuss your mother. Come here, come build up on you. And she make you believe more. Yeah? And she have to cuss.
I see me I go to bed.
Yeah, put her up on the cross and turn her into Jesus.
I mean I forgive you.
Me love you same way.
Honey,
Hey,
you don't like your style? No, I'm not alright.
oh, you just come in so not even say good evening, good night, nothing.
Well, because you tell me lie, mommy.
Which part me lie to you?
You tell me say that be saying lie. Me that be saying never tell you that, mommy. That be saying don't even know me, much you still like me.
When you really are coming and I come complex my brain with no. Huh? Who named Davy?
This black beauty you come tell me the day saying like me.
You lucky see me in a good mood, you know, little girl. Can you come in and accuse me of something me not do? Which part me lie to you? Me come in and tell you, say, me meet the black youth out there. Me on my way down the road, and me meet him, and him tell me same like you.
I'm gonna go to him, mommy, and he say never tell you that.
You make sure you go to the right person?
Yes.
You sure you go to the right person? Come in every day there with you. And remember who you talk to little girl about her coming and gonna call me liar. Like say me and you are no size. Who you kiss teeth after? Fix your face and try to talk to me again.
Me not fixing my face. It's my face. It's not yours. So you tell me so David say like me and David do not like me. He don't like
Well,
me.
me can see why whoever it is don't like you. Your face sour like a wall and your attitude even worse. You go out to the street like that. No wonder man not like you.
Me never got to him no way. I got to him calmly and I said, you know, remember me, if you tell my mother say like me and me like you too. He must say never tell my mother. He don't even did know me name. Let me tell him my name.
Don't see her. But tell me something. How him stay? Him not black.
Him black
And him
short.
thick. With short, him taller than me. And taller, little bit taller than you. Funeral. Him not no funeral here. Me never tell you something about for this.
How did you go?
Me walk up and then I look for you.
Me tell her where me I say me I go to Canaan, so me go over Canaan yard and I come back right
I'm
here.
gonna go back Canada, yeah, you went up there.
You might have reached you might reach up there too late.
Mind you another liar in
false.
this, you know. Come in and accuse me as of lying. Mind you another liar. The one who point the finger is the one who do the deed. Me tell you, say, he's a black youth. And him black and
yes,
thick.
and he have a ear on his head.
Exactly, in the ball.
In here, Kenro.
Me never tell you nothing about Kenro. Me tell you nothing about Kenro.
So, mommy, who tell you so they like me, mommy?
Alright. Since I lie me, I tell, we will prove it. The proof is in the pudding. Tomorrow me and you go road. I'm saying always there around there. Me remember where him live. I remember exactly where him live. And me I go see who is the liar and who isn't.
Me just can't buy
Come out with the attitude, man. Me can't take you so. About liar. She know who she deal with. She lucky me in a good mood. Box her down.
What you gonna say right now? Gonna do right now? Yeah, look funny and shit. Wow. Yeah, it's big from that one. The friend. Hold on. I'm just consider that this one. Yeah. I see you the deal there.
I don't want to too bad for me now, though. I'm check up on that. I'm gonna let you man to try control me, isn't it?
So if you want over there, do?
No, I'm left my
What do you wait till we are going match? I tell you you can't go match.
match today. Yeah, how much?
What you see there?
What's the girl this time, love?
What girl?
Yeah, I think so. You girl is going on.
Yeah, if you want to walk in the power bank, you take
No, man.
right through.
No.
You take.
No,
You feel phone can't do.
remember to me, I'm too big, man. Come here, have my phone. So they go ahead, yeah.
That you
No.
Boy, then. At 3:30 now. Mr. Bad Chuck will get to come in here and that's it. So when you go to try to chat with your friend him?
What?
Mr. 3:00 and still out here meal, feed me, eat everything and still talk about everyone. What you have out
What
here
this man?
you control the attention. What out here?
What this man?
Which struggle? You talk about lie down on that time?
No, that's why I talk to him now. Come in now.
That's never come on.
Ball like your name, man.
Yeah, this one come, man.
Come no.
What this man?
Come no. You see him go up your yard back?
Yeah.
And by the time I sit on the dry, I'm gonna see you come in the yard, me come back down your feel.
This one rich, man.
It's too rich. Make sure you stay on.
Make sure I say food done cooked too.
You need to make sure your food done cook. Why you I cover your mouth in a chat.
We just are going on a platform again.
No,
Woman a time. No, man.
woman, I get time to
No,
go
what
in.
I'm telling her. Actually, I get on for a win. So, 3:30 in the city appointment first. You see me say, I'm there from 3 o'clock for 2 minutes. No, wait, me not give a woman nothing for a month. Him have to jump when me say,
Yeah,
oh,
continue with me say for Jamaican.
oh, woman, be angry me son, right, sister? Alright, I'm going to
One main road.
He just a say,
I'm in a hawk and pity them and I shatter her back next year.
nah, man, he just a say, sorry, you can come over, cause you want sub, but you don't want to load up the code in front of him, cause you must have known what going on. Me, I tell you, no.
That you look like it. The
Yo,
soft.
you need to find a pastor, man, cause that's
It's
no man.
soft, man. It's too soft.
The older girl that just walk him up. Hey, we said, jack up me here, and the 3:30 now.
Man, remember so,
It's too soft.
no, man, you remember so, full of energy and so phone, man, can't get here every night, so. Watch out, I'm not going to say a long time.
Woo!
And that's why I'm so
Ah, 3 months, me woman don't get nothing from me, you know.
what this, man?
It's too soft, man.
Don't teach you something.
What do you know we got a bag on my TC thing? The girl come.
Man.
Wait a minute, me I shall we go. I'm on the
Yo, something
reason.
alright. Yo, after time,
Watch out,
And I did a certain,
watch out,
yeah, you.
I get late still on father. Then I'm going to put in some work, isn't it? I'm right to know, but I'm right one more, isn't it?
Boy, this soft, this is
at human time.
woman time.
Yes, at time me hearing tell Marvin, them put it in the food every night, Jim. Every night.
This is the thing that up to night that between.
Time.
Because girl that deal with
That I know.
second time it is.
That I know good to take a woman and make them cook for you. Whereas if you know you don't love them that much, don't make them cook for you. You can love them more. It's when you find out you don't love them too much and they start cooking for you, they're gone. Remember, they have you under control. And that's a time, because no woman could come up and say, right in front of the friend of the land, so that's who put me one side. And then, you know, it's that such time to go up and it and that your friend is, you understand?
I get. Me not get 3:30. Me not get time to 3:30.
When you are just if you make a woman cook for you, make sure not the time of the month when you cook. Watch
She
out
put
on your
it
two
in
guys.
the pot.
Huh?
She put it in the pot.
Yes, now the stew peas are in turn up over the right hand feet are thin. Once you stand up over it and sweat and everything drop off of that, Lord of God, you're gone to the dog. No wrong with your belly, so. Sometimes the woman cook it full of oil, you wonder why food full of oil, so. After the oil shop, we then go buy oil and hold me and oil at see me. You see, if every man check the house, in the corner of the house, they would do a little back and put down. All about the place.
But look back.
Mm-hmm. Woman and man love put them there in their house. Or then use your picture and pin it down out a door. One of the outside with a pin and bury it with a letter. So you are mine forever, you shall stay here. You can't trust woman. Woman are that powerful. And put all the stay free in it, in the ground with it.
Boy, we got one thing you say. You have him under control.
They are what is style like they know. But tell people man, I'm cutting jars. Me don't know the girl, me don't know what girl do. Mother and dog, everybody think I can't hear. When you go check
Just
up,
mother.
no hear, no cancer, doctor can't find out fault, and you know, after him dead, the hand fall up. See forward. A long time I can think they say, carry this girl, go out for their man. I'll pass up for you, pass up for me, where take care, go over there, man. You have to care where the clothes come from. Some pastor where you see ya, and no pastor them. They don't know if it could be a miracle. They only send people around to watch people who have fault, come back and tell them business and then see one fear the people them come care, come in them church. You have to use your brain in Jamaica. Remember me saying that?
So we link to there,
Yeah, man. How do you feel one of them things, like?
Oh, daddy, I live with your woman.
Oh, wait,
I live with your wife. You know, woman, I can't type me. You food. Even though I love my belly, but not me.
Who named Peter?
Peter, not bus driver. We run the school bus.
So what kind of text am I him a text? What? So you're in love with somebody now?
No, my friend borrow my phone and I'm Pinky.
yes, 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 man. James going to come in. James going to come in. When we can, I'm going to Jesus! Somebody dead.
Daddy have to make porridge.
Somebody dead.
Nobody not dead, Daddy. Nobody not dead. Daddy, nobody not dead.
You're a fool. What do you mean by? You know, church. Oh, where you go with sisters?
Turn around.
Oh,
sit down. Turn around.
No!
5 money that you can't count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want it in Spanish? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright, you want me get the lick in Spanish? You want get... When would I want your money? Hmm? So what you like doing for?
I want my money, Papa.
Me tell me don't have your money. Listen.
Papa, where you carry my shit in my house? How you come for do? After you take me $100, you come for come warn me?
Man! I want my flash shape and...
Look funny.
Flash me here, yeah.
Look funny. I come to that yesterday, you know.
So what you there cut it?
Flash it,
Done.
Why? No! No!
Move that!
No, me not move. Girl, want this girl! Girl, no! Why?
Hey! God! Shani! Is breathing? No, sir. Chew up. Feel bad. So you dey hide and do it. Tell us, I'm sorry. Me no, you know why here where they go on ya so. Right ya so, pick me in a disability. I'm sending her to school and she a breed.
I breathe. Oh.
Melody has a look at
What's wrong with her?
I like the look star. She looks scary.
When I to me, I'm kind of lonely, you know. You know, that's my company talk to you sometimes. Do a year or two.
Hi, girl.
Yeah.
Girl, name me, I call them.
No.
I'm gonna get her from my phone, one man, girl.
Yeah, jeez, please don't tell me I want broke money go pan here go pick up.
No, a contractor.
Oh.
You have been looking at the money, girl. I want to look at her. So she's not really bad. She's nice and cute, so. Yeah.
I'm on the phone, me not here.
How are you there, sir?
Oh, yeah, hold on there a minute. What you ask me when me
Yeah, in a spot, I have some hustle, you try excuse. Come, you come.
So, mama, really
Go
right to
inside.
say you hustle?
Then, you know, so me look where you think, say, me, I go look work. You know, see this?
Mama, let me tell you something. You better
How
look
what?
work.
How?
You're too young for around your body. You have to look work. You have to come there because right now, the mercy of God, they come.
The mercy of God against you. Listen to
Just
me.
what go on in the sky over America.
Why go on ask for America? But the America, me
This is
there,
what Elon
Jamaica.
must do.
Me busy what him want do.
And me, my daughter, anytime, man. But the next time I see sun hot, wait till the sun cool in the air.
Yeah.
Because I don't want black horse. I don't drink more, I don't wait for what's up with them. I light up my weed.
Me now all that's in a car pass, so we not to worry. Yeah, the fire one with that.
You look a nice, cute baby.
Excuse me. Me no want baby.
So yeah, what then?
Baby is different. Baby is when I wear pampers and child when I wear clothes.
Oh, look, man, you see.
Eat yucky and
That not up to do with me. This nah shatter man. The duff cat not the righteous so.
Check out this card.
Look at you.
In a people yard, you're out of that card.
my horse. If me
Come out. Look, come out.
you must free up your
Mind my eye. Mind my eye. Take him out here, cause you look too much.
Man, you know see?
I'm thinking you're churchable right now.
And so she a big man, she force wipe her see?
Where you come from?
Daddy, I try to shut up, you don't know what you say.
What? You're churchable.
But she bright, are you shut up to her? What this? But tell her say, Penny a big woman, watch him.
Try shut up.
How you talk?
The devil confess.
Man, I do whole heap of something, I just little bit of man, me. Me say, me can go obey a man. Man, I do whole heap of something.
Me backside. Wait.
How are you?
I'm a tidy man.
Which man?
I'm a tidy man.
Which man that?
Me never plan to give you no more money for today. I just last night me send some money to your account. Me not understand. So that the money they finish already?
You know, finish baby, but my pocket feel light.
Your pocket feel light?
Okay, flimsy. I can't alone me here. Me not hear no Ben Franklin.
Me I promise you buy you one Ferrari. Me know me not get it back. So you better ask me if me can give you one money.
While ago me I come and just see you wire transfer 150,000 your husband to your boyfriend.
I'm my husband that I'm a matter of fact we not married yet, but I'm my husband to be. But
and your own brother, your own flesh and blood.
Me never say me not go give you, me say me not lend you no money because me know you not give me back. All the while me lend you money, so you not give me back.
You give me?
Me just give you part away, just say me can't give you so much money towards much thanks. So it's a year thank, a year.
Chum change here.
You know, so you would have called for too.
Call up.
Over there we want to go. Put up.
Go over there, go there.
Eh? Let me stay with you.
No, you can't stay.
Girl. Now you sick with your heart.
Me? Sick of my heart?
Yeah.
No, girl. I'm a mother at church, I'm a father. Yes, I get a little money. Sick with heart. Sick with heart and I drink right now.
I eat me and say, come here and walk past and I see her drink rum.
No, girl, that's
You
scam.
lie down in a bed in a hospital, then sick with the heart and want a brand new water. So me here say want brand new heart.
Scam, daddy, girl.
No, I can't carry nobody over there.
Take off your darkers.
I can't always want to take off my darkers.
Me don't know, because I can't see your face over your darkers. See man, I tell about ya.
Yeah, man, me see.
Look on your face good, you know?
You see me?
Man, me see.
Which way you see me?
Yes,
Me
sir.
must see you now.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Hold on. Yes.
Me know you know, but me act like me no know you. Me know say you there with my auntie now.
Me there with your auntie.
Yes, my auntie.
Me no auntie.
Hey,
Me no there with nobody
if
auntie.
I move a muscle, me chat. If you pay him to keep
Which
my
auntie me
mouth.
there with?
Just know say my auntie there with you. You have to pay him to keep my mouth. If you want more, lock up. If you pay me.
Oh, that. Normally, me always buy 1 pound of chicken, but since as you come from foreign, you can buy.
Seriously? 1 pound of chicken?
Yeah, 52 days. We cut in half and share with 2 days. But, like when you can buy 1 bag of chicken.
I don't think you have to buy a bag of chicken. You can just buy maybe 2 or 3.
3 bag?
No, not 3 bag. 3 single chicken, like a whole chicken, you know, the whole thing.
Hold on there.
I'm good at it.
You see, my brother put in this and I know my niece.
Oh, I'm feeling any. They never introduced me.
Baby.
Second, I don't know, buy 5 million. She asks, you know, ask her, 5 million you get.
No, man, this heavy.
Oh, excuse me.
Man, ease up off of me, man.
Girls, what's wrong with you people? You see me there with my wife. You not know manners.
What? Your wife? So you put your wife over me?
Baby. Who are these
But
people?
yeah,
Baby,
yeah.
go call security.
You're my wife.
Just tell me what's going on
Me
right
no
here.
no wife.
Stop the fighting.
Me
You
woman.
guys don't need to fight. What's going on
Yeah,
here?
no man. I'm my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend?
As me, I say no, my mother-in-law.
What's your name?
I'm Riri.
Your name is Riri. Where are you from?
I come from the ghetto.
Ghetto. Okay.
So sit down, come and talk me.
You want me to sit beside you?
Yeah, you can sit down.
Okay.
So you say, your son?
My son.
Yeah, your son?
Who dare you to speak to me like that?
Yeah, me by mommy I speak to you.
That's my man.
Eh? And me man that day.
Girl, I'm gonna stop coming over and tell her, baby, call security, man, them no baby. Baby, call security, no.
Call security for your liar self.
Baby,
Where you take this thing for?
baby, call security,
Why are
man,
you talking like that?
Baby, look on it and
Oh,
talk
you
back
say
and
that me man. Yeah, you say your mother sick. And
Baby.
Oh, you say your mother sick. Talk to me now. Oh, she
Baby.
attack. No
Baby,
underwear.
look on it and talk
Why you
back
say
and
this?
foot, girl. Why they over with
Me a
this
butter
house?
foot girl.
Why not, baby, come
But
on.
then I did up in the bed in up there so with me. I never know say me a butter foot.
Yeah, man. She too.
Trish, the bomba, good girl, come out. Jesus Christ. What do you hand? Mama, when you come get auntie a hug, man. How you do?
Why you socks in their hands?
I fight me.
Why the uniform tear up so?
I fight at school and the girl pop up me uniform.
You beat her?
Yeah.
Boss it.
Where you telling about
Boss
boss it
it,
one?
touch
Where you
it.
telling about boss it one?
Yes.
I boss your box.
We are.
Why purpose say that?
I know I said, do me and my friend, they want to get rich.
Rich.
Yeah.
Which is a must.
I mean, you say you're good. That's what the 10 boy, you for me. Yeah.
Rich is a must.
Yeah, so what me have to do?
Me good enough, man. You don't
Me and my
question
friend.
me. Wait.
You can't deal with it and make me get
Mama.
rich. No. You hear what go happen, Mama? Rich. You know what is rich? Mama, you know what is obia? Eh?
I know obia.
Obia.
We have to go sacrifice somebody.
See
Baby.
the thing?
I don't know now we go get it.
You know that. Mama, we just know say we are going rich. Listen to me. I'm going to tell you this today, it's like we're not getting on the hand. By the hook or by the crook, before the ear fit done, what we must be what? Rich.
You will spin your roll.
For what? How about that?
What is that?
What's that?
What kind of dog this, yeah?
What the fuck?
Hello. Hello, make me talk. I come like when you come waste time, you know. Me come here about money. Me want to get rich.
Rich? Sure, I know I get rich.
Me don't know about them. Me know about me rich. Me want to get rich.
Nobody say no. Pick like in the liquor, shoes, or food.
Anything. Thank you.
So how long they take to come back?
No, them not come back. And they can't get my this before. Me the car come. So come back.
Alright.
See me. We are telling me, mama. Hey. See me carry girl come. Mr. Mikara, non-virgin, God, hope man, you get the virgin. I don't do behind people back. They hear weird. How do you? What is it? What's she idiot? Nothing happen. Me prayer. Mama! Why? Jesus, wait. Wait. Me can't move, Kayla. Why? Hey. Come me, brother. I'm going to move. Me foot. Come here. Jesus, I need you now.
Little girl, stop it.
Jesus.
Stop it, little girl. Stop it. Stop it.
Jesus. The bag back up it me. Tell my money. Rich. I'm rich. I get money. I'm rich. Kayla. Where rich sister? Shadi's rich. Where rich? Shadi's money. Where money that girl?
Dive in the man. I see if you can dive in this. Well, that boy. Hi.
Hey, why make you not come to school?
I can question that. The same thing she come ask me, you ask me. You know, see the difference. You know, see my nose pierced. You don't see I haven't touched sale. You don't see.
Oh, sorry, my bad. I do not want to be inquisitive or, as Jamaicans would say, no.
Wait. Can you just start clicking on my brain? Can I cover my brain in the way? Who want to tell the man say how much?
18 hours.
You know say a lie. You is a liar, Christian. You know say Christian don't tell lie.
Look who attack. You just tell the man say you're 19.
I'm not a Christian. You is a Christian, and Christian should not lie.
Everybody lie. Tony, can't believe I'm talking. Where are you, sir?
No, girl.
What you mean, no?
This down there chair take some fresh air.
Oh, because you can't take it on your veranda, your yard.
Yo. Where are you with?
How this a job board?
I am same one.
Where are you with?
So, where are you with them?
Which speak to them?
You know what?
You don't see a woman and her friend?
Where woman?
She. Yeah?
And her friend?
Yeah? You're blind?
Me know me can't see clear, my boy.
How much? You know how old she be? Yeah? How old she be? 19. Listen, 19. I thought you walk around and tell the man them that you put on tattoo and pay it up. And you have broke up with that, sir? I can't take off your gun. Hey, how about you go? Yeah, you ever see me gun? You ever see me gun?
Serious boy, I go rush me, I know.
Batty boy,
Show them boy or something.
Right now. A batty boy.
swallow, boy. Must swallow. Must swallow, boy. How you go?
Remember where me I go? It's to me dirty dog. You don't have time for me, you know. So I left.
What you mean? Me not have time for you. You me a call look for?
Yeah, come look for me, you know. When last you come look for me? When last you come over here, Tibi?
I work. Sick. You have vomit?
Yeah.
Are you warm? Jesus Christ, you have vomit. You know what that? That's called pregnancy. Sign of pregnancy. Vomit, fever, flu. Girl, I will breed you. Who find time breed you?
Boy.
One man. And I see a man let me see you with.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, and you tell me that your friend. Look, girl.
And I see when I tell him I can talk about how it are mine, because he not know.
Ah! How it all mine? In all the money. You hear me, son? I'm sick right now myself. Me feel like I'm pregnant too. So you pregnant, me pregnant. Because you look like me pregnant with you. Can you hear me, son? You hear me, son? And for me, have you either. I maintain it for your baby because you murder your mother at birth. Right?